Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn your normal or your basic photo into 8K quality. And this is the 8K quality photo editing tutorial. So you can just use these Remini apps to start enhance your photo quality. You can open the app, then you can just select the photo that you want to enhance. First, you can just click on the enhance button and then select your photos. Okay, so for example, I'm going to enhance this photos right here. So as you can see, this photo is a little bit blurry. You can just click on enhance now. Now it will upload the image. You can just wait. And here you can see this is the before photo. It's a little bit blurry and not quite good. So when you swipe, this is the after. You can see it becomes a lot better. You can just click on download at the top by clicking on the arrow. But since I'm not a pro users on this Remini app, so I need to watch an ad to be able to save the video. So you can just click on save and just wait, just watch the ad first. Okay, so just wait, and now the photo is saved to your gallery. So that's how you can change or turn a photo into 8K quality. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.